Hello friends, welcome back to All About Plants. Today let's talk about one of the most useful and healing houseplants, the aloe vera. If your aloe vera is growing slowly, or its leaves look thin and dull, don't worry. Here's a simple way to make it grow faster and greener again. First, give your plant a short rest period. Place it in a cool, bright spot around 12 to 15 degrees Celsius, 54 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, and stop watering for about a week. This allows the roots to breathe and reset. How to make this fertilizer: take 2 teaspoons of crushed peas, add them into 1 liter of warm water and let it sit for 6 to 12 hours. Strain it and water your aloe vera with this mixture. Peas are full of phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium, perfect for strong roots and thick, healthy leaves. In just a few days, you'll notice fresher, greener growth, and your aloe vera will start thriving again